Welcome back to Tech Avro. Are you wasting time scrolling through hundreds of files to find one missing document? Google Drive has powerful built-in search filters that can find any file in seconds even if you forgot its name. By filtering by file type, owner, date, or specific keywords, you can locate your data instantly. Here is how to do it step by step. First, open Google Drive and click inside the search bar at the very top of your screen. Click the Search Options sliders icon located at the far right edge of the search box. To find a specific file type, click the Type drop-down menu and select options like Documents, Spreadsheets, or PDFs. If you are looking for a file sent by a colleague, click the Owner drop-down menu and type their email address. You can also refine your search by selecting a date range under the item name or date modified fields. To search for specific text buried inside a PDF or document, type your exact phrase into the includes the words box. Click the blue search button at the bottom right corner of the panel. Google Drive instantly filters your workspace and presents the exact file you were looking for. If this guide saved you search time, please like this video and subscribe to Tech Avro for more quick tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.